ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಆಶಾ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಬ್ರಿಲಿಯಂಟ್ ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಸೇರಿ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 15 ಡೇಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. ನಾನು 10 ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನನ್ನ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಂದು ತಮಿಳ್ ಸೆಲ್ವಮ್ ಅಂತ. ಅವರು ಇವತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನನಗೆ ಕಾರ್ ಕಲಿಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಂಗೆ ಝೀರೋ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಇತ್ತು ಕಾರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಅವರು ತುಂಬ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ತುಂಬ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಸ್ನ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಈವನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಲೈಕ್ 6 ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಕಾರ್ ಎತ್ತಿದ್ರು ನಂಗೆ ಅದೇ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಓಡಿಸುವಾಗ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ಸು ಸ್ಟೇರಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಾಗಿ ಸ್ಟೇರಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಕಲ್ತ ಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಿಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ಕ್ಲಚ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಗೇರ್ಗಾಗಲಿ. ಸೊ ಆ ಥರ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ನೂ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಕಲ್ತ ಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಿಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್, ನಾನು ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ನನಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಈವನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಝೀರೋ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಕಾರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ರಿಲಿಯಂಟ್ ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ತಮಿಳ್ ಸೆಲ್ವಮ್ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್ ಸೀಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕಲಿಬೋದು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಫುಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬ್ರಿಲಿಯಂಟ್ ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ತಮಿಳ್ ಸೆಲ್ವಮ್ ಫಾರ್ his support and patience.
Super. I wouldn't come around here. I watch both pockets cause they ain't from around here. Man, stay with the strizzy cause I'm from around here. And not even the cops dare to come around here. So if you hit the ambulance, ain't gon' come around here. Now you stuck, not even cabs, they don't run around here. If you hungry, pizza man, he don't come around here. And I dare Jehovah's Witness to knock around here. Whips get stole, they never getting told around here. Stay in the news, but never nothing new around here. If you ain't never been to the ghetto, man, don't ever come to the ghetto, man. I tell them everywhere, anywhere, fuck what's really good, my hood. I tell them everywhere, anywhere, fuck what's really good, my hood. I tell them everywhere, anywhere, fuck what's really good, my hood. I tell them everywhere, anywhere, fuck what's really good, my hood. I heard there's a few creeper down there. On welfare, made it rent a little cheaper down there. Don't be slipping, you get put up the shit with down there for your bling. Even you two-way bleeper down there. I got this bitch, she got a crib down there. I moved out, but I still get to live down there. You couldn't go down there to see a little down there. I did for you, baby, faster down there. I go down there, so don't go down there. And you go down there, you looking for trouble if and when you stroll down there. And you whip park that down the road down there. They don't play, don't hit straight up all hoes down there. Who ain't hood rich, still pole down there. Been working mighty hard till they old down there. And they got a security guard in the store down there. But them kids are selling me sorts of store down there, man. I tell them everywhere, anywhere, fuck what's really good, my hood. I tell them everywhere, anywhere, fuck what's really good, my hood. I tell them everywhere, anywhere, fuck what's really good, my hood. I tell them everywhere, anywhere, fuck what's really good, my hood. Well, I guess it's the same everywhere. Come around iced out and you get out anywhere. Fight to give it up and you get out anywhere. Most these people, they don't live anywhere. So every other night they just sleep everywhere. I try to live that life but it ain't get me anywhere. I make my money here, there, but I can make it anywhere. Ask about me, sonny, they respect me everywhere. Been in big and Pac down here, there, everywhere. Every block locked down here, there, everywhere. Guess they got fiends, every block everywhere. And they pumping big and Pac, every block everywhere. When you're looking for the cops, you can't find them anywhere. Kids looking for their pops and can't find them anywhere. And they mama keep on switching the crib down there. I tell them everywhere, anywhere, fuck what's really good, my hood. I tell them everywhere, anywhere, fuck what's really good, my hood. I tell them everywhere, anywhere, fuck what's really good, my hood. I tell them everywhere, anywhere, fuck what's really good, my hood. Is that your place? Is that your hood? Is that your block? Is that your place? Is that your hood? Is that your straight rap. Marcus King Productions. What up?
Never gonna stop trying to get it, dude. Never turn my back on my city. Never let the money stop with me. I'ma never stop hollering at the sense chill. And the sense go, and the sense go, and the sense go, and the sense go, and the sense go. Can I say something? Go, and the sense go, and the sense go. Hey, homie, you don't wanna get familiar with us. No, but you would give me and my to rush. I'm sick of all you unfortunate supposed to be big, but telling stories about your life when I was not how it was. Yeah, I'm sure 'cause this back in the days with the like in your hood when you was out there getting paid with the pay, but you get the when you hitting the days, it's not your beat. Go, go. Yeah, you know I'm from the know you, but you do not know me. Quit I ball and make it down for you, do not homie. You don't wanna know what I've been thinking of. You better go ahead on and find you another spot to chill, 'cause I've been dipping dust. We see a light and everything ain't great. It's like everybody mind is in the same old state, you know. Although I knew I quit his revenues, I'ma tell you up things I'ma never do. Never gonna stop trying to get it, dude. Never turn my back on my city. Never let the money fool you with me. I'ma never stop hollering at the sense chill. And the sense go, 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 and the sense go. UTP, come on. UTP, come on. From the 3 to the 17, yo, we doing it big. If together, you know Wacko and Juvenile is. New Orleans, see, I'ma rep that, 'cause these my peep. You can pick up some bad habits hanging in these streets. Heavy talking at this and that, showing your teeth. Walking around you like you took care and you handled your beef. Pose it off 'cause you wanna come talk to me. To show me the live, give me something hard for me. I take it back to where the big timers was pushing this shit. When the bubble dicky suits like it was regular jobs. When Club Adidas goes down in the used to be back. And Newton started popping and it started from Friday. We used to do jokes in the back. We had 4 rules in life and I can promise you that I'ma run. Never gonna stop trying to get it, dude. Never turn my back.